जय श्रीमन्नारायण। राधे राधे। जय श्री सीताराम। आज हामीहरू फ्रान्सको राजधानी पेरिस सहरको अवलोकन गर्दैछौँ। अवलोकनको क्रममा देखिएका मुख्य दृश्यहरूको भिडियो तथा फोटोहरू यस भिडियोमा समावेश गरेको छु।
खिच्नुपर्ने ठाउँ त यो रहेछ नि यो त क्रुज स्टार्ट गर्ने पोइन्ट पनि यही जस्तो। जादु सादु देखाइरहेको जस्तो बाटै छेकेछ।
हेर्नु न यो इन्ट्रीमै ढोका पनि छैन फेरि। आइसबार पनि होइन फेरि। मान्छे घटे जस्तो छ क्या त्यही भएर
म भिडियो खिचिरहेको छु।
आफू पनि राख न त्यसो। माथि चाहिँ खरानी रङ नै बढी प्रयोग गरेको देखिन्छ।
पऱ्यो भने त्यो फ्ल्याट सानो छ त्यत्रो फ्रान्सभरि हिउँ परेर फाल्न थाल्यो नि त।
अहिले हामीहरू विश्वकै सबैभन्दा सुन्दर सहर फ्रान्सको राजधानी पेरिस घुमिराखेका छौँ। माछालाई विशेष मान्दो रहेछ।
सेल्फी खिच न।
आगे चलते रहो, ये दिखाया गया। उसका जो एडी है ना, हील एंड टो, इसको आर्ट बोलते हैं। देखिए, ही इज ऑन द मूव। टोपी पहनी है, टोपी ऑफ ए जनरल, और सामने रहता है प्रेसिडेंट, बिल्कुल पेड़ों के पीछे, एलिजे पैलेस। बट वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो देयर बिकॉज इट्स a zone of security. That's the house of the president behind the trees. It's not very big, but there's a lot of power. Yeah, there's a nuclear button. You know, France is a nuclear power. और आपके उधर जो लेफ्ट साइड पे दिखाया था मैंने आपको कुछ, वो गोल्डन डोम, that is 12 kilos of gold. Napoleon is buried inside. He's like a mausoleum. He's buried because Napoleon, what he did, he made 50 wars, 50. He won 40. Bonaparte, जो रात को सोता रहा सिर्फ 4 घंटे सोता था।
मोदी जी की तरह।
हाँ, अब मोदी जी का पता नहीं है कितना घंटे होते, लेकिन नेपोलियन की 2 बीवियां थी। Look on the left, there is a soldier standing. I'm talking about the statue. His wife is there with a child. Can you see? That is peace television in 1836. So they are holding gas lamps, and 2 figures are not. It's all, something is different in every expression. People came in horse carriages, you know, in 1875. There is no Mercedes Benz or Fiat. वो गाड़ियाँ बाद में आएंगी, ये टाइम घोड़ा गाड़ी का है। ये तो देखना है पेरिस में, वही वो रखा हुआ है ना, they've kept it like
So,
these buildings are cleaned after 10 years, you know, because नहीं तो वो काला हो जाएगा ना, जो पत्थर है उसकी सफाई होती है, chemicals, they use a special spray. This building on the right is the biggest store of Europe, fashion store, Galeries Lafayette. अभी फैक्ट्रीज are going to Ethiopia, you know, शिफ्ट हो गए, वो होता है, चाइना भी अमीर हो रहा है, तो फैक्ट्री बंद हो जाएगा, इस इकोनॉमिक्स, राइट सर, China has become rich, so the factory will go to Ethiopia. It's economics. Yeah, sir, this is the back side of the opera house. This opera was invented in Italy. If you go to Italy, there's a place called Milan. Italian concept है कि you have there's a very big stage in this opera where 300 musicians can play together. So it's something unique in the world. You know, it is the biggest. The opera of Sydney is bigger, but this is big in volume. The area they've covered is very big. This is a new store. This is a Japanese store. शायद आपको मालूम होगा, Uniqlo. ये जापान का है. It came 10 years ago. This is called the Opera of Charles Garnier. I want you to look on the left hand side. If you are taking up, this is where the VIPs came in horses. You know, the president of France, this was meant for him, this entry, royal entry. देखिए on the left, उसमें दो घोड़ी, दो रास्ते हैं ना, ramp, and the statue of the architect is there, Charles Garnier. ये तो देखना है सर. 1875 में the VIP entrance was this because the horses could take you right till the entrance. Because you know, even today, when PM, Prime Minister, or President comes, there is a lot of security, am I right? तो उसमें क्या होता था? There were 4 carriages going inside, so people never knew. In case there is an attack, bomb attack, पहले भी खतरे बहुत, वो सब शुरू से ही, आज क्या नहीं है, तो उसके लिए बनाया गया, to keep in safety in mind. That is the reason there are 2 ramps. हमने देखा वो lamp is put on a boat-like structure. You see ship. These lamps are placed on a ship-like structure. So you see there is a lot of artistic. That is age time span.
यही देखेर घर तो बनाएगा दिया
Oh, he went to actually. Charles Garnier was 30. He was 36 years old. He went to Italy, you know, to get inspiration. Roman है ना, Roman pillars and designing. But you know, 100 years ago, people came here, families came here. That the people who were very rich, of course, who will come here. तो क्या हुआ क्या है? वो जो लड़के लड़कियों ने रुमाल भी गिराए, you know, you got it? Hanky. It started here. Some girls dropped handkerchiefs and boys who were, you know, college friends. It has happened here, which you see in movies sometimes. रुमाल गिरा के उठा, और यहाँ हुआ है. तो हैंकी पैंकी बोलते हैं उसको.
भीड़ जा रहा है
Hanky was dropped by some girls, and some boys are picked up just to draw the attention. Come back and then.
त्यो राति सबै त्यो बल्छ यो विन्डोको बाहिरपट्टि राखेको लान्सेल
जा रहे हैं
This is the Grand Hotel on the right.
सर्भिसमा सुन्दर
And that is a very famous store for ladies, Lancel. You know, it's like Louis Vuitton. It's a French brand. Lancel is very famous. Lancel. So they, आपने देख लिया, buildings are made in perfect alignment. Take एक ही चीज है, एक ही डिजाइन में. And now we'll see something about Napoleon's victory. You know, when he won the war against Austria, he made a column is by melting 1200 cannons. The Ritz Hotel is coming on the right hand side, sir. Where all the black cars are parked here. You know, it's a small hotel. The white canopy, Ritz. 122 कमरे हैं उसमें. अभी ये देखिए सर, खंबा देखिए, ये पिलर देखिए, इस पे कार्विंग है, बैटल. The Battle of Austerlitz is being depicted. Can you see the soldiers on the pillar? So it's like something. This was built by a king initially, the square. तो वो भी अपनी दिखा रहे, मैं भी तो वो राजा बना है ना, he became a king. He was from his. This is something about art. Here you have got most of the jewelry stores of France, you know, Cartier and Dubai and Boucheron, all the famous. This square is known as Place Vendôme. But Paris has all these names, you know. You can see the names on the wall. Did you notice at the corner there is a blue and white print? It's a bit like sitar. Sitar is born. Sitar has got 7 strings. That's what they call sitar. Lyre is the Greek mythology. Have a. Then now we'll go to the Louvre and we'll stop. And then I'll take you.
अब भने हामीहरू वर्साइल म्युजियम सङ्ग्रहालयको अवलोकन गर्न गइराखेका छौँ, जसलाई युनेस्कोले विश्व सम्पदाको सूचीभित्र समावेश गरेको छ।
कता जानुभयो साथीहरू? यता फर्किसक्यो।
त्यहाँ जाऊ मसँग आइदिन्छ। अनि गो। तिमी बिचमा हुनेर तिमी खोजेको भएर
भिडियो हेरेर साथ दिनुभएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। नमस्कार। जय होस्, जय श्रीमन्नारायण।